Knock knock. Hey, welcome to this empty apartment tour. This is all things living. Let's get into the house. So this is the entrance. Once you get in, this is what you're going to meet. We have two light fixtures in that wall. As you can see, the two light fixtures are so amazing. They look so good. I love this wall. It gives the room an extra feel. There's something about this wall that I can't help and love. So yes, once you get into that living room situation, so this is what you will see. And then when you turn onto this other side, this is a mini kitchen. Please come. We have some cabins. These are our cabins. So we'll use this as our pantry. We'll use this for all other things. So this is our cabin. As you can see, then we have our sink right here. It has this modern tap fixture. Ooh. Sorry about the mess. So if you have your cooker, this is where you can put it. This is where you put, you set your cooker. As you can see, it has the cooker socket already fixed. So basically, this is what you will see as you get in. Let's try and look at the outside of this building. So this is our balcony. This is our balcony. Yeah, that's your so we have an amazing view. So once you're out here, you see everything. You can see everyone. If you have anyone getting in, definitely you'll be able to see them. So let's continue. Follow me. Yes. So once you're here, you'll be going into we have this corridor. In this corridor, it has a placement. Oh yeah, we need a light. Yes. So it has this placement where you can put your washing machine. It's already set for that. This is really amazing. Most houses in Uganda do not have these kinds of things. So this house is extra. It has that amazing touch. The socket is right here. So if you place your washing machine here, of course the water, the outlets are right there. So it's sorted. And this is the extra touch that this house gives you. And I love this. It's like amazing. So we have our bathroom, but before we get into the bathroom, let's go into our bedroom. So you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Look at the color. This room has an amazing color situation. The color combos, ooh, they're everything. Luckily enough, we still have our sockets, so if you have a lot of other electronics you want to use, you have your sockets. We have our window, and the window opens. We have such an amazing breeze. Like, it is amazing. The breeze comes in all the time. Like, you are sure that the breeze any day, anytime, as long as you need it, you just open the window. Show them our light fixture. Look at that light fixture in the bedroom. Amazing. It gives you that extra feel. You don't need to do much. You already have something set. On that note, the wardrobe. This is our wardrobe. It has this, so you do not need to have a mirror. You already have this. So if you want to do an extra thing, you could actually add one. But you already have this. This comes closer. You have a couple of cabins for your other things. For example, you can put your lingerie and other things in here. You have also these. Then it has these cabins. Then it also has this up here for your extra things that you would not use often. So it has a bigger wardrobe situation. You're sorted for anything you have. As a single person, this room is amazing. It really works so well for you. So this is our bedroom. So once again, follow me. Let's get this light off. We shouldn't waste the electricity. We shouldn't waste the electricity. Ooh, our bathroom toilet situation. So we have this toilet here. We have where you put your tissue. It has this amazing shower. Look at it. Look at it. It's so amazing. So if you want to use this, you can use this. It has also this other one. So it depends on what you want to use. It has a heater, and then it has where you can hang your towels. This room has a lot of potential. As a decorator, it has a lot of potential. You can do a lot of things with it. You can add some things here. You can add some decor items right here. You could add others right here on the sink. You can even add some lightings on this very mirror, which is in our bathroom. So you can add some light fixtures, depending on what works for you, but this is a bathroom situation. So for me, this house is perfect. For any single person, for anyone that doesn't want a lot of clutter, this house will definitely work for you. So thank you so much for tuning in to All Things Living. Till next time, bye.
Bye.